Hey guys, today I want to show you a super quick trick to get that clean, blurred background look for vertical videos right on your iPad using DaVinci Resolve. And stick around because I will also share a much smarter way to turn your long-form content into ready-to-post short clips so you do not have to do all this work every single time. It is honestly stupidly simple, and it saves a massive amount of time once you know this little professional hack. So for the first part, let us look at the quick DaVinci trick by dragging your vertical video clip onto the main timeline just like you normally would. If you are shooting vertical footage on a standard widescreen timeline, you are definitely going to end up with those annoying black bars on the left and right sides of your frame. Instead of manually stretching your clip or creating a complex background, just go straight to the effects panel and search for a tool called blanking fill. Yep, it is literally named blanking fill, and you just drag that specific effect directly onto your clip and watch what happens. And just like that, the sides automatically get filled with a blurred, color-matched extension of your own footage. There is no messy masking, no need for creating duplicates, and absolutely zero fiddly keyframes because it just works instantly. I know if you have used Premiere Pro before, you might be thinking that Premiere does not have that same magic button, and you would be completely correct. In Premiere, you usually have to duplicate the clip, scale up the bottom layer, add a heavy blur, and tweak colors so the sides do not look weird. That process is definitely doable, but it takes serious time and constant attention, whereas on the iPad in Resolve, you drag the effect and you are done. That is the whole point of this method, true mobile-first convenience for the modern creator. But here is the major plot twist. If you are making a bunch of clips from longer videos, even this tiny step starts to add up over time. Imagine you record a 1-hour-long live stream and you want to post a dozen different vertical highlights for your audience. Yeah, applying effects manually to every single clip becomes a massive pain in the neck. That is where a smarter workflow comes in, which is why I usually do two things: quick polishing when I need a final touch, and using AI tools to auto-generate the highlights. I rely on an AI-driven tool to auto-generate the vertical highlights in the first place so I do not waste time hunting for the best bits manually. This is where tools like Vizard come in clutch, instead of playing editor roulette and scrubbing for moments yourself. Vizard scans your long video and finds the parts that are most likely to perform well based on trends. It highlights laugh moments, big reactions, and key highlights, the stuff that actually gets viewers to stop and watch. It automatically creates ready-to-post clips so you already have vertical content to import into Resolve or upload straight to socials. No more manual combing through an hour of footage to find the 15-second viral bits that make a difference. And do not get me wrong, there are other platforms and tools that try to do this same job for you. Some are powerful but expensive and aimed at big studios. Others are cheap but clunky and do not really find the best parts for you. Premiere can be great for full-on creative control, but it is pricey, heavy, and requires you to do way more manual work for short formats. Simple scheduling apps let you queue posts, but they do not edit your content intelligently or create clips optimized for virality. Vizard sits in the useful middle as it automates the time-consuming editorial part while still letting you add polish in apps like Resolve when you want. Here is a real workflow example I use. I record a long podcast or live stream as usual and drop the file into Vizard. I let it chew through the footage and spit out a stack of short clips that capture the high-energy moments. Vizard also gives you a content calendar view so you can see what is lined up and tweak the order for the best impact. Then, if I want a little extra production value for specific clips, I export the clip to DaVinci and apply the blanking fill or whatever finish I want. Otherwise, I just use Vizard's output and schedule it to post automatically to my social channels. One more thing about scheduling: if you are posting consistently, manual posting is honestly the absolute worst. Some tools let you schedule, but they do not auto-optimize frequency or timing for when your specific audience is online. Vizard's auto-schedule feature is super chill. You tell it how often to post, and it handles the rest based on the clips it generated. This is not some black box nonsense either, because you can review and adjust the schedule in the content calendar at any time. It is essentially like having an assistant who knows exactly what to post and when, but you always remain the boss. So yeah, back to the quick iPad trick. It is for those moments when you want to give a clip that finish look really fast. Drag the clip, apply blanking fill, export, and you are finished in seconds. But for scale and consistency, pair that with Vizard to handle the heavy lifting of clip generation. Let the AI find the clips, then spend your attention polishing just the ones that need it most. This combo is how I get a steady stream of high-quality shorts out without burning out or spending all day at the computer. A few extra tips since you are here. When you shoot, try to keep the main action centered so the blanking fill works cleanly without distracting artifacts. Also, if someone moves a lot, check the edges because sometimes a very fast movement can reveal that the background extension is not perfect. In that case, you can still duplicate the clip and do a manual blur layer for that particular cut, but 9 times out of 10 blanking fill is good enough. And if you are comparing tools, Premiere Pro is deep and powerful but has a steeper cost and learning curve, so it is often overkill for fast verticals. Other lightweight editors might lack decent scheduling and content planning features that you actually need to grow. With Vizard, the strength is automation paired with useful manual control, giving you the best of both worlds. It surfaces the clips, handles scheduling, and gives you a calendar to manage everything while you handle the final polish in Resolve. Alright, that is it. Super short tutorial plus a workflow tip to keep you moving efficiently. Drag, drop, blanking fill, done, and use Vizard to find and schedule clips automatically. Only polish the ones that need that extra shine because it keeps things scalable and sane for you as a creator. If you liked this, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more quick workflows and creator tips. And if you are curious about Vizard, check it out, try it on a long video and watch how many usable shorts it finds for you. It helps me a ton and it might help you stop spending whole afternoons just chopping up footage. See you in the next video. I am Daniel. Peace out.